Congress MLAs, including a former minister, joined BJP unconditionally today. Health Minister Jayanth Kumar says 50 bedded Ayush hospital will be built in Moray at an estimated cost of Rs 10 crore. Renowned musicologist Laishram Birendra presented with Padma Shri Award at his residence. And Assam Rifles hosts curtain raiser of Urja Under-19 football talent hunt at Kumanlam Park. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you top stories. 4 more Congress MLAs, including an ex-minister of the Okram Ibobi government, today joined the BJP Manipur Pradesh. MLAs of Kumbi, Sanasambira, Wangoi, Oinam Lukhoi, Kakching, Yengkhom, Surchandra and Saitu Ngamthang Haukeb joined the BJP this afternoon. The opposition Congress is left with 22 MLAs. Lone All India Trinamool Congress MLA from Thanga, Tongbram Robinro also merged with the BJP. They were welcomed by President BJP Manipur Pradesh KSH Bhavananda, Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren and other party leaders at the party's office at Nityai Pat today. The 4 MLAs also signed the primary membership form of the BJP. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren asserted that by joining the BJP today, the MLAs have confirmed that they wish to work unitedly for the state and urged the party workers not to break their trust. He said, sacrificial leadership is the need of the hour. Biren said there might be hindrances in the developmental works of the BJP-led government. He said, in view of the recent road accidents in the state, the government will conduct a special verification drive for the manual driving licenses with immediate effect. He warned of stern action against the license holders and issuing officials if the licenses are found to be forged. He also said the government is investigating the problem of faulty CCTV camera. Biren maintained that a good governance could not be achieved without the support of the public. He said the leaders elected by the people should have a cordial relationship with everyone and warned the police and civil officials of stern actions if found harassing the common man. Assam Finance Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, who was present on the occasion, described the joining of 4 Congress MLAs at the same time as a rare occasion. He asserted that many more Congress are leaving the party as they have faith in the Narendra Modi government and Chief Minister N. Biren. Himanta Biswa also said the 4 Congress MLAs joined the BJP without any condition. It may be mentioned that Congress MLAs from Andhra, T.H. Shyamkumar and Singhat Guishan Hao had already joined the BJP. Shyamkumar is a minister in the BJP government. So far, 6 Congress MLAs have joined the party. The Congress won 28 seats while BJP won 21 seats in the 11th Assembly elections.
Manipur am sathina phibam sokjalame praja singdai ngasi ki khudong chaw chelor kai na haningi Manipur da laiba gari thori ba khurima ki license akoi review dobuni aduga review to license pairam badu da se nominee humni sanga da bodo temporary nominee humni du ki thaunana ba yanana ba ge khoi moi da temporary license issue toguni sajanna ba pairam ba mi su ain gi matung ina dani pi gani aduga sajanna ba lauram mi ba issue torum mi ba mi do adu so khoi lem na tharoi bazar manung da law and order gi phibam yangsinna ba huran sinthi da gi kannana ba CCTV camera install toguni CCTV camera install to budu no hang an CCTV camera to tum yad re sahi mari manga tumin lai dum ngasi di kuiroi CCTV camera do kanana supply to rambono kanana install to bono kanana paisa pi bono sajan na balai bra seng balai bra do yam thuna thola ni.
Health Minister N. Jayanth Kumar today visited the site for construction of a 50-bedded integrated Ayush hospital at Kudingthabi in Moray in Chandal district. The hospital will be constructed at an estimated cost of 10 crore rupees. He was accompanied by Director in charge of Health, Dr. Karam Lokendra, and officials of the department. Minister Jayanta Kumar said the construction will begin as soon as soil tests are conducted. Dr. Karam Lokendra also showed the Health Minister a plan chart of the hospital. Upon reaching More, the minister was accorded a warm welcome by all Community Development Association More, Akodom, Nupi Kunai, Chaukat Lamjinglup, and Minority Women Development Society at the office of Akodom. Earlier, the minister inspected Technopal Primary Health Center. He also visited the More Hospital. Jayanta Kumar inquired about the problems facing the hospital from the staff. The staff urged the minister to provide operation theatre equipments, medicines, etc. at the earliest. The minister assured them that the government will improve the condition of the hospital. Jayanta Kumar also visited More PHC. In view of the recent road accidents in the state, the government has decided to conduct a special verification drive for the manual driving licenses with immediate effect. The drive will cover all types of vehicles. Licenses will be collected for verification on the spot by the police or motor vehicle staff by giving a provisional slip duly stamped. Renowned musicologist Laishram Birendra was presented with Padma Shri Award at his residence at Kwakaithil, Ningthemkol. Laishram Birendra Kumar could not attend the award presentation ceremony held at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi due to ill health. Chief Secretary Oinam Nabakishore personally delivered the Padma Shri Award to the singer at his residence at Kwakaithil, Ningthemkol. Laishram Birendra Kumar is known for his contributions to Manipuri music, especially the folk song. His lyrical composition, Ho Iril Turel, is popular among all generations of music lovers. Laishram Birendra Kumar was born on December 20, 1920 and became a member of Manipur Dramatic Union at a young age. Speaking after accepting the award, Birendra Kumar emphasized the need to preserve and promote folk songs to understand one's roots. He said folk songs tell about the history and roots of the people.
Swaida, Tabal Jong, a Tamla, Hill people got my take at Masi they should read our folk songs. Thankful to folk songs, saying only I have seen Hatok with her, Mighty Kakai, but somebody run away. Tribal people say, Mahog is Manipurni, Thankful is Manipurni, Kabui is Manipurni, my take is Manipurni, my team at Manipur. Folk song will give you everything. Munatarga, folk song, Munatarga, like how to say, Munato. We take an hour though. I couldn't have, you can't give folk song. Then I suppose some country we should not blame them because they are not academically they are not learned. Hearing say that they should not respect folk song. I couldn't folk song we should respect our folk song.
Hizam Romani, who played a significant role for the development of art and culture, passed away at his residence in Yashkul, Hirohan Balaikai on the 26th of this month. He was 96. Son of Mahakavi Hizam Anganghal, Romani was associated with Theatre Centre Manipur, Rope Mahal Theatre, Film Society, etc. He also took a major role in the observance of birth anniversary of Mahakavi Hizam Anganghal outside Manipur and also published a books of the Mahakavi. Saitya Thaupanglop has condoled his demise. Cultural Forum Manipur has condoled the demise of its life member Hizam Romani and Kirtan Manohar Sai singer Gurumayum Bagendra. In a press release, the forum said they played a significant role for the promotion of literature and culture in Manipur. Former Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Thokchom Jadumani today inspected canals and roads in Kangabok, Sangai Yumpham and Samaram in Kangabok constituency. He was accompanied by the Executive Engineer of Minor Irrigation Department Manipur, Division 1 W. Ingobi Singh and staff of the department, volunteers of BJP Kangabok Mandal and members of Panchayat. Jadumani told media persons that the team inspected projects which were not implemented after withdrawing withdrawing funds by the Congress government. The team also inspected works done without quality. Jadumani said he will urge the Chief Minister and departments concerned to do the needful. Center for Research and Advocacy Manipur today held a discussion on the impact of various developmental projects launched with the help of Asian Development Bank on the people at Manipur Press Club. Participants expressed their support for various developmental projects but emphasized the need to have discussions with the people before the launch of the projects. President of Rongmei Lu Puam, Pantinlue Gong, Chairman of Committee on Human Rights, and many people affected by land acquisition for developmental projects attended the discussion.
2015 sari am kana controversy ma lai hibdo masi ayam bana sai praja sing tana daba adagi hariba project se lakho matam da sai project sigi magi tasing na plan si karam haina sai plan se tau hibno ado sai praja sing low mang ga towa yumpham mang ga towa dem khoi hing bagi livelihood mang ga towa hujik ting sai gi imphal ring ro khang nak taba toan ba project me am lakhre ba praja sing gi kono se khoi right se karai da lagi dori no adagi environment ki matang dana khoi kamaina deal tau dori adagi tung koi na sai rehabilitation resettlement matang dori hai issue me am te khoi na kitang khanaraga
Salai Holdings Private Limited has claimed that it will be able to play a significant role in infrastructure development and information technology in the country. Vice Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Elangbam Brojendro, today told the media that the chairman of the company, Naringbam Somajit, is in China visiting different provinces to discuss development activities along with Chinese government agencies. He further said discussions were held on low-cost development of towns, buildings and technology. Mapam International Hong Kong Limited, an overseas branch of Salai Holdings Private Limited in Hong Kong, was registered on the 18th of this month. He signed an MOU on April 25th between Director Tina Lee of Ayang General International Co Limited, AGICO, and Ayang Chinese province in Naringbam Samarchid. Brojendro said the MOU emphasized establishment of academic institution, agricultural consortium, food processing industries and real estates. Salai will be the authorized representative of AGICO in India, while AGICO will be the authorized representative for Salai Holdings Private Limited in China. He added that Salai will also open an assembly unit in Kolkata jointly with Golden Sunrise Co Limited of Guangzhou.
Anyang General International Co Limited hai se global company amani multinational company amani makhoi se diversified activities mayam ma tawraga lei amadi atop country singi haibati khara least develop oiba country mayam sing sida makhoi gi project achau so mayam pairiba. Likewise India da su mikhoi gi hairiba kano sina company sina India gi some major city khara da gi mega project khara paikhalakadori hairiba mega project sing sigi paikhalakpa matamda mapum oiba India gi representatives ama oina Salai Holding Private Limited sina mapum oina paigadori bani masigi hairiba mega project sing si mai pak pada ekoi gi Salai Holdings Private Limited na achoba thodang yagani haiba se masimak ekoi gi ngasai gi MOU si da sign down of the yauri bani.
Working Committee of Apunban Lub has condemned the killing of Kangembam Shantos by police personnel in the intervening night of April 24th and 25th during a Tabal Chongba at Ukongsang, Kangjibum. The Lub in a press release said it will support the steps taken by the JAC formed against the killing. Two-day training program on rational use of blood and blood products kicked off today at Taubal District Hospital. The program is organized by Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit of District Hospital Taubal and District Health Society Taubal to raise awareness among the doctors. 50 doctors from Taubal and Chandal districts are attending the program. It's time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Welcome back to the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. One suspected World War II bomb and a large number of bullets were recovered on the campus of Mori College in Tingnopal district today. They were discovered while digging the earth from construction of fence wall of the college. It may be recalled that two suspected World War II bombs were recovered in Kapotsangbam, Bishnupur district yesterday. The 4th state-level Honey Festival 2017, organized by Manipur Beekeepers Federation, kicked off at MG Hall today. The 3-day festival, which will continue till April 30th, is participated by several beekeepers who opened 14 stalls displaying different varieties of pure honey and honey products. President of Manipur Beekeepers Federation, S. Nilkamal, alleged that the Honey Festival is being ignored by the departments concerned and the state government, even though the festival has reached the state level. He said, in the neighboring states, the governments are taking keen interest in offering necessary support to the beekeepers and farmers. Nilkamal also highlighted the inconveniences faced in organizing the state-level festival. He also emphasized the advantages of bee farming and as a source of income.
Masna yam penjo da basi tongan ba akoi yumno number state hai batai even Kohima gi toba kandu da Nagaland gi toba kandu da moi gi na kana ba moi gi beekeeping mari leina na kan ba kan moi kan mo una ge kan thong ju phajana hangdok pa Manipur chalu kandu ngasi law hayeng law madu kodong thiba ma thengla ba gi pen da mo akoi sum phawai tongan ba Manipur da state level function ji myam tawi atai kana ma chana ba sina any tongan ba moi bu blame tawa ante hon kanu gi pineapple festival many thing festival myam le khir Manipur da mo to ga mi gi na lupa myam kai ba ado akoi ne lakte chungin hen ba ya
The workshop on conservation and preservation of biological specimens concluded today at Manipur State Museum. 30 participants took part in the 5-day workshop. Certificates were distributed to the participants at the closing function. All Manipur Fire Service appearing candidate and Guardian Association AMFSACG has urged the government to announce the results of the Viva Voce of Manipur Fire Service recruitment held on December 20, 2014. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, a member of the association, Haubijam Chauba, appealed to the government not to recruit new candidates before announcing the results of the 2014 Viva Voce. He also threatened to resort to intense agitations if their demands are not met. A meeting will be held on May 11 at the canteen of DM College of Arts to discuss the matter. Chauba requested members of the association to attend the meeting.
Candidates sing awabaji yang biraga yang birakani habigi thaja basu thamjari masidai da athubada honorable CM na mari leinaba department sing da tana biraga athubada results ma haidok piu haina association tarap taki thamjari lagliba tang taret thamanga solution ma sani tara tare ing inwai jingi pung tara taba matamda Deng College Arts ki canteen da athubu matamda meeting ma tawgani asigi meeting sidai da mari leinaba candidate amsung guardian sing na matam chana yaubi.
The Meitei community living in Kwatha are celebrating Kwatha Nongpok Ningthau Ima Panthoibi Harauba from May 19 to 23rd. Kwatha Nongpok Ningthau Ima Panthoibi Inat Thaugallup has appealed to people to participate in the celebration, which is a unique among the Umang Lai Harauba. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, Publicity Secretary of Kwatha Nongpok Ningthau Ima Panthoibi Inat Thaugallup, Takhelambam Biren said, it has characteristics different from other Umang Lai Harauba and it will surely draw the attention of the people. He also said many historical sites still exist in Kwatha.
Umanglai haibataragadi udagi khwagi chaw usikari uno thibu mutamda khongnang bambi ni hairami aduna khongnang bambi dagi umanglai oibidari udaga kawbalai du umanglai kawbudamni haibagi ku ibanadi akode wari thambirami heda jingda khongnang bambi asawgi makhongduda tharaga khona lehun hulaga kawkhan ngalaba ai maitai ipai busingduna jingda leiraga su khoise sokhatba Maitei Pai Bu Irami, Hojik Jakuina, Maitei Oba, Pruamo Putubang Pota, Tasikarium Ngamjate, Aduna Sai Posi Puna, Tijin Mineraga, what had a lady put Aliba Potmia, Adugi Aliba, Lon Koi, Ngamagi, Wangang, Adugi Kuisana Patamiam, Sing Sipunam, Maniputo Ladiba, Jati Punamana, Homineraga, Punakan Hodragadi, no Modekoi, Mutigan Habigi, Mi Bibesum, Lazy Hater.
A music video, Nura Pakang, based on the Manipuri pony, was launched at Hotel Imphal last evening. It is a collaboration of the Portuguese pop rock iconic band Kla and Manipuri folk singer Manka. Menula Ativto from the band Kla and Manka are the vocalists. The music is composed by Mangang Sana and Portuguese composer Helder Goncalves. Chairman of Babina Grove of Hospitality and Managing Director Dr. T.H.W. was the chief guest of the event.
Sagol hairagasu polo sanabaya bas polo sanari bas sagol kaktang nataba aigi thamoida faujeri chiti polo sanabaya adraba sagol sine tas akoigi moisina akoigi sa oinga logdoba akoigi kanadre kana lobo masi su nataba sagol haibase dum haide polo sanabaya babu oro natragana sanadaba bu oiro masi punna masi akoi punna yokhat pachangi amasung masi akoi punna maki masi hingan base akoi thaudang ni haibasi naha sing masi phawhanninge.
Mahaurol Inat Thangta Apunbalup will organize Festival of Performing Art in Manipur and Sitakpurin Singbu Ira Chaba Thauram on April 30th at Laimarol Arts Center, Chingamkha. Ethno Heritage Council Harikon will organize the preliminary round of the 8th Kangminashi Iramdam quiz on April 30th. The winner will be awarded a cash prize of Rs 10,000. The second edition of Northeast Fiesta, organized by the Northeast Students Organizations in association with MBD Neopolis, was recently held in Jalandhar, Punjab. The two-day Northeast Fiesta showcased the rich culture and tradition of the Northeast states. Folk, dance, music, art exhibition, ethnic cuisines, etc. formed the part of the two-day festival, which drew huge crowds. Northeast students from different universities, colleges of the region gathered to witness the fusion of Northeast diversified culture with the rich culture of Punjab. Besides promoting the culture, traditional dresses and designs, etc. of the Northeast region, the event also aimed at unifying students through cultural exchange. Various stalls displayed an array of items like the traditional shawls of Nagaland, the hand-woven mekla chador of Assam, ethnic jewelry, etc. Regional Manager Northeast Tata Motors Prashant Shekhar today launched Style Back Tata Tiger meant for the young and face-paced generation in Manipur at its new passenger vehicle dealership TD Motors today. It will be available at a starting price of 5.32 lakh rupees ex-showroom price for petrol version and 6.26 lakh rupees for diesel. It may be mentioned that TD Motors was awarded Best Compression Award at the recently held award function of Tata Motors in Beijing.
Tata Tigor, they all new based on impact design. This car is available in two option, engine option, diesel as well as petrol. We have 5 color into that. The starting price for diesel petrol is 5.32. This car is readily available at TD Motor Imphal. This segment is growing, like I already told you, compact sedan market is growing, so we will gain good market share with this. We will beat Maruti, I think.
And in sports news, Assam Rifles today hosted a curtain raiser for Urja Under-19 Football Talent Hunt Tournament 2017 at the indoor stadium, Khuman Lampak. Lieutenant General Shaukin Chauhan, DG Assam Rifles, was the chief guest at the event. Boxer and brand ambassador of Urja, Laistram Sarita, footballers Ranadi and Oinam Bembem were among those present. IGR South will organize Urja Under-19 Talent Hunt Football Tournament 2017 for the state of Manipur from May 1st to May 10th at Khuman Lampak Main Stadium. In an attempt to make FIFA Under-17 World Cup slated to be held in New Delhi in October this year, a catalyst for change and a tipping point for football in the country, Urja CAPF Under-19 Talent Hunt Football Tournament will be held across the country. Boxer Laidam Sarita has been selected as the brand ambassador of the event. KV Langjing, IEDFA team, Imphal West team, Churachandpur football team, Bishnupur club, Thoubal club, Issue, NYTHC, Kripsa and YWC Langthabal will participate in the tournament. The tournament is an initiative of Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a prelude to the Under-17 FIFA World Cup to be held in New Delhi in October 2017. The event is aimed at creating a mass movement and to encourage young boys and girls to develop their inherent talent and showcase it at the national level. Neroka FC Sangakpam will play Kankare FC Mumbai in the 24th match of the 2nd Division League tournament tomorrow at Kumanlam Park Main Stadium. Kankare FC Mumbai had defeated Neroka 1-0 in the 4th league match of the tournament. Neroka is at 8 points on the table while Kankare FC Mumbai is at 5. At a press meet held today in Hotel Classic Grande, assistant coach of Kankare FC Mumbai, Oscar Alva, and chief coach of Neroka FC Sangakpam, Gift Raikhan, said their team must win the match tomorrow to book a berth in the I-League tournaments.
I know there are a lot of experienced players in Neroka, but we have been training, we've been working very hard, setting up all the strategies and tactics. And I think the boys have coped up with the weather and the strong teams very well. So I think we'll be prepared for tomorrow's match much more, as the team is gelling very well. And we have some experienced players also.
I am quite a Pamzava Manipur gi Babo Mayamna, Akoi Neroka, support of Viraga, Akoi Nerokasi. I like Chang the Yadi Haibagi Pandam Duda, Sanaba Ingba, Lakpina Vidamata, Aina no look na Manipur gi football ng Shiba Mayambu, Haying Pungani Makaida, Kumanlam Bakta Lakpio Haibasi, Aigi, Parthanani. Thank you.
Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Former Congress MLAs, including a former minister, joined BJP unconditionally today. Health Minister Jayanta Kumar says 50 bedded Ayush hospital will be built in More at an estimated cost of Rs 10 crore. Renowned musicologist Laishram Birendra presented with Padma Shri Award at his residence. And Assam Rifles hosts curtain raiser of Urja Under-19 football talent hunt at Kumanlam Park.